Guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech. Welcome back to the channel. And you might be thinking today, Aaron, you've already done an Urban Armor Gear unboxing and drop test. And the answer is you are correct. I did. However, there was one model that was not yet available, and that was the Plyo. And I happened to mention it in my video, and Urban Armor Gear, I think, saw it, and then they sent me, I think, a Plyo case, which I think is pretty cool. They're a pretty amazing brand. Love working with them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in and see which case they sent me. I think it's the Plyo, but I don't know for sure because I haven't opened it up, but I do know that this came from them because it says right there. There we go. Pull tabs. Nothing opened. Ooh. And I was right. They sent me the Plyo, a gorgeous looking case, if I do say so myself. This is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is the phone that I've been rocking and using and enjoying for the past several, couple weeks now. So where is my note? Where's my note? Oh! Here it is. It is in the Phone So Pro. I forgot I put it in there. And I just sanitized my phone in about 5 minutes, which means my phone, it's clean. It's sanitized. It's better. There's no germs and bacteria, and I'm not gonna get sick. When was the last time you cleaned your phone? If you're interested in your own Phone Soap or Phone Soap Pro, head down to the description, and I actually have a coupon code specifically from me to you. So go take advantage of that. So let's go ahead and open this up. As always, not really too much to the boxing. They keep it pretty easy, which I do appreciate. Thank you, Urban Armor Gear. And the case itself, let's go ahead and just take a look at it. It's kind of got a little bit of texture there, which is new, right? Not all of the Plyos have had texture. So this texture is designed to help give it a little bit extra of a grip. We've got our buttons here, which is great. Microphone, thank you. Wonderful S Pen, speaker, USB, and another microphone. So all the essentials right there, right where we need them. We're gonna go ahead and plop this in there and see how it looks and how it feels. This case feels different from all of the other cases from Urban Armor Gear. It's almost as if it's curving upward, but it's like it's starting in the back and going upward, kind of like in a V shape, and it fits really well in my hand. Like my hand pinches that perfect, and I know it's just something a little subtle, it's a little different, and I think you can see it on the camera. So there we go. It kind of starts there and kind of comes outward. So in the corners, there's some little honeycombs, which helps create air pockets. You can see it on both sides. So that way, when the phone hits the edge, there's a little bit of cushion in there. So that way there's a little bit of pressure. It can kind of go in and go out, and it doesn't just smash against your phone and all the force is absorbed by your phone. Here it's actually absorbed by the air pockets. So I don't know, should we do a drop test on this? What are the edges like? The edges look pretty good. I think the edges are worth doing a drop test for. Should I do it right here? People are gonna scream. If I do a drop test on this table, people are like, that's not a real drop test. So we're gonna do a drop test because I want to trigger you to go to the comments. So when you're running to the comments to tell me that this isn't a proper drop test, just know that I am one in control here. I am the one who is making you go to the comments to do that. Think about it. Think about it, will ya? We're gonna try something else. Calm down. Calm down. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our device. Before we do, let's go ahead and wipe it down with this amazing microfiber cloth that was sent to me from my friends over at Ringke, R-I-N-G-K-E, store.com. I believe that's it. All right, so here it is. It looks fine. The camera is intact. That was part I was a little bit worried about. I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret. Before I did this drop test, I kind of have been on a panic all day because I bought this from Amazon and I did not buy the protection plan with it. And I was trying to add the protection plan before I did the drop test. So I willingly put this device through that drop test with no protection plan. So I'll probably be returning this device just so I can reorder a new one and add a protection plan, because I do see the Note 20 Ultra as remaining and staying my daily driver. So here it is, guys, the Plyo, a new design, new look, new feel, some extra texture on the outside of it, kind of some edges that go upwards on an angle versus straight down, so it gives you more of a natural hold in your hand. So the fact that UAG is still finding ways to improve, to advance, and to enhance something as simple as the Plyo, they keep coming up with new subtle changes after every time they release a new device. I see you, UAG, and I notice these subtle changes and I enjoy them. And I want to tell you, thank you for these changes, because it's pretty easy just to go ahead and say, hey, we've built a solid product, a case, everybody likes it, no need to improve. We're just going to keep redesigning the same case for a different phone, when in reality, they are redesigning every case with every new phone. So R&D doing a great job. I appreciate it. Keep up the good work. Thank you for the partnership and believing in my small little YouTube channel and working with me. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and link UAG in the description below. I don't get paid any money. I don't get anything, no affiliate links when buying these cases. Just head down to the comments, click the link, and buy yourself a UAG case. Thank me later. For the love of tech. Like, comment, subscribe. Namaste.